Hi, it's Mike from Fox Plumbing, and today we're going to go over the service flush procedures for tankless water heaters. Step 1, disconnect the power. Please note, some manufacturers require the power to be left on and during the flush procedure. Step 2, turn the gas off. Connect the pump outlet hose to the cold water side. Step 4, connect the drain hose to the hot water side. And discharge into a bucket. Step 5, pour approximately 4 gallons of food grade vinegar into your bucket. Step 6, install your pump pickup hose into the bucket. Step 7, open both service valves. Step 8, operate the pump for approximately 45 minutes with the cleaning solution. Step 9, after 45 minutes of circulating food grade vinegar through your tankless water heater, turn off the pump and shut your service valves. Step 10, disconnect the hose from the discharge side to the pump. Step 11 is to flush the vinegar that's inside the unit out. To do this, you simply want to empty your bucket of your vinegar, put the hose back into the empty bucket, turn the cold water back on to the system, and then open the service valve. Cold water will enter into the tankless water heater and out through the service valve drain. This will flush the remaining vinegar out of the system. After flushing for approximately 1 minute, turn the service valve off. Disconnect your hose. Restore your valves. Step 13, remove your screen. It's located on the inlet side. Clean the screen with a soft toothbrush. Screen must be cleaned on the inside and out. And as you note, it'll have debris inside of it. Next, reinstall your clean screen. And restore water to the unit by opening the shutoff valves. Here and here. Restore gas to the unit. Restore power to the unit. Go inside your house and turn on your hot taps to flush any residue out of the system. Now your unit's turned back on as far as water goes to your house. You're now done with your service flush procedure. Thank you.